Here's how to fix your iBat40XR battery when it doesn't want to produce any output of power. In another video I showed you how to diagnose this and what the problem is. Here I'm going to actually show you the logistics of how it's done. So I'm going to take my battery, and I've removed the labels from the previous video. I've saved them, I've put them away. Should I ever sell this, I could put them back on, but for right now I don't need them there. I'm assuming this fuse, since it blew already once, it's probably going to blow again. So it's better to just leave the labels off. Regular Phillips head screwdriver takes the four screws, takes them out, and I'll show you in a second what we're dealing with here. Let's see if that did it. Yes, it did. Okay. There go the screws and everything. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 screws and a little lever. Okay, so here's what we're dealing with from the other video. You know, this is the culprit. It's a 40 amp MIDI style fuse, and you'll see in a second we'll change this out. I don't need this bottom part, so I'm going to put it off the video. And here's how it comes. This one actually came from Puerto Rico. There's 3 of them in here. I paid about $5 for it. And let's get this opened. This thing is really packaged tight, so let's see what. I probably should have did this before. You could skip through this if it's boring. That is some packaging. Okay, so here is the fuse. Oops. Here's the fuse. As you can see, it's intact. And we're just going to solder it in exactly where the old one was at. Now, I've got pliers to remove the fuse. And I'm probably going to have to hold it like this. And I've got my soldering iron already ready to go. So it's just a matter of time. And remember, you're dealing with a live battery here, so you want to be careful with everything you do. Okay. Let me flip this over for you to see. Now, if you've seen my other videos, you know my soldering technique absolutely sucks. I'm probably supposed to hold this a different way. I'm probably supposed to use a better soldering iron than this Harbor Freight $4 30-watt iron, but you know what? It does the job. Okay, and almost there. How did you get back on here? Okay, that's it. Simple as that. The fuse is removed. I'm going to let that cool for a second. And as you can see, this fuse is blown. Okay, so we're going to do the new fuse in the exact same way. There's a lot of solder left over, so it's just a matter of putting it in. You can reuse the old solder. You could probably add some more solder to it. Let's just see, how was that? That was like this. I'm gonna warm up this solder that's here now. Let that cool. And I think I will just add some more solder just because seems like a pretty weak connection at this point. I mean, as of right now, let's see. Where's the thing? Here's the button. You can see the battery now works. And we should be good to go. It's a pretty crappy solder job. But I noticed that this fuse is a little bit thicker than the other one. Compared to the old one, look at the thickness. So that's why I'm getting such a crappy job. Probably gonna have, in the other ones, you're probably gonna have to bend it or find something that fits better. This is the original fuse. This is what it's supposed to be. I'm gonna use this and see how it works out. And it's definitely working now. I mean, you could check, press the battery, and it's there. So it's fixed. It's not pretty, but it's fixed. So thanks for watching. Hopefully that helps, and hopefully you do a better job than I do. But that's how to do it. Simple as that. Then just put your battery back together. I'm not going to show you that part. Not going to waste your time. Thanks for watching. Any questions, let me know.